Muted.
Hi there, I'm Mark Sebastian, founder of OptionPit.com with the OptionPit Trade Idea of the Week. Attached to this email and above this blog post you can see a registration for our upcoming webinar next Thursday. Get yourself registered. We're going to be talking about trading earnings. We'll do some live earnings analysis. It'll be really fun. And we also have our Gamma class coming up that you can go on our events page to check that out. As a reminder, this is for educational purposes only. No, this should be considered investment advice. Options have risk. Consult your financial professional. Well, here we are. We are off to the races right now. It is Inauguration Day, and so far things have gone pretty smooth, which was one thing people were worried about, which is why I think markets were off the last couple of days. And assuming inauguration goes smooth, let's take a look at diamonds, which is the Dow Jones Industrial Average ETF. We'll pop a chart of that. Now, you had a decent miss, kind of a quasi-miss out of GE today. But take a look how flatlining this thing is. You know, they had that big pop in December, big pop in November, kind of flatlining. Still waiting for that 2,000. Well, you know, now that we're down to 197, there's been a little money. I think this is maybe the last time to really get in and step in and potentially take advantage of what could be some really good stuff for American industrial and the repatriation of international tax. There's between, I mean, if you look at the Dow stocks, find me a group where there's more non-U.S. domiciled cash. If there is a repatriation deal, the Dow is going to do extremely well on that deal. So over the next couple of weeks, I like getting long as I look at my different trades. The cheapest option on the board, you can see it gets cheaper and cheaper. But look, Feb 10. Right, take a look. So we're going to look at these February 10th options. You've got the Fed in there. You've got really every piece of music come out, your non-farms. And yet that's basically the cheapest option on the board. So I would buy the at the money, my trade. I'd be a buyer of the at the money in diamonds. I'd buy the Fed 10 198 calls. I'm going to pay 191 and see if I can get filled there. You know, a couple of pennies really does not make a difference, but I just want to see what I can do here. I'm guessing I'll get 192 when I put it in. I did. I paid 192 on my Diamond Feb 10 198 calls. My goal is to sell them at, you know, $3 or $4. And I'm assuming I'm going to come in one of these days and we're going to see Dow up 200 on something. That's kind of where I would have that outsized return. All right, folks, if you have questions, you can email me, mark@optionpit.com, or you can call me 888-TRADE-01. Have a good one.